Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale lead generation with ActiveCampaign, full guide step by step clearly. To scale lead generation with ActiveCampaign, start by creating a clear plan for your lead generation strategy. Identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Next, sign in to your ActiveCampaign account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Forms section from the main dashboard. Create a new form to capture leads. Choose a form type that best fits your goal, such as inline, floating bar, or modal. Customize the form fields to include necessary data points like name and email address. Incorporate an engaging call to action to encourage signups. Adjust the design settings to match your brand's aesthetic. After customizing, save and publish the form. Now, go to the Automations tab within ActiveCampaign. Create a new automation to manage leads as they enter your system. Select a trigger for your automation, like Submits a Form. Choose the form you just created as the entry point for the automation. Set up actions to follow the trigger, such as sending a welcome email or adding leads to a specific list. Integrate additional actions like notifying your sales team about new leads. Next, segment your audience based on their interactions and demographics. Use tags or custom fields in ActiveCampaign to organize your leads effectively. Develop targeted email campaigns for each segment to enhance engagement. Utilize the campaigns feature to create and schedule your email content. Leverage A/B testing to optimize your campaign performance by comparing different subject lines or monitor key metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Regularly review and refine your strategies based on these insights. Integrate ActiveCampaign with your website or landing pages to streamline lead capture. Use tracking features to monitor user interactions and behavior on your site. Finally, stay consistent with follow-ups and nurtures through your automation sequences. By systematically implementing these steps, you can scale your lead generation efforts effectively using ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.